Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to add a credit card on PayPal in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so guys, if you planning to add your credit card on your PayPal, and then this video is for you. Okay, so what we're gonna do guys is we need to go to PayPal website and log in our account, and what we need to do guys is go to our wallet. Okay, this at the top guys, this one guys, and you will see here guys, this one guys, link a bank and also link a card. So what we're gonna do guys is we just have to click this link a card. Okay, so you can type you can put here um your credit card number. Okay, so and also what kind of network it is, so that okay, the expiration, and also the CVV. So you can click this link card button guys if you're done filling up this boxes. Just have to click that one. As you can see, check card number. So because I don't have, just put some sample here. And if if you click this link card guys, it will show up that you've successfully link your credit card on your PayPal. Okay, so that's it guys, so I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.